Hello everyone, welcome back. Today is going to be part 2 of the making of my Horace Kephart knife. In the first part I did a little explanation about the knife, and we did a cutout, got the primary cut done. Now we're going to do some grinding. I retraced the profile onto the knife, and we're going to grind down to the line. And hopefully the lighting is okay in here. It's a little cloudy out right now. But we'll see how it goes. You want to make sure you keep it cool, so I'm going to grab some water. Okay, just have a little bit of water. I'm going to take it slow. We don't want to ruin anything at this point, so we're getting there. I'm going to change the belt real quick. Okay, we have a new belt on. Let's get at it. Alright, I'm not going to bore you watching me sand all of that, but you get the idea. This part's almost perfectly done. So we'll take this down to the line, and then I'll bring you in for the next step. Alright, so I finished the profile grinding. I'm very, very pleased with it. When I get the scales on, this will get refined in these little corners here. You know, they'll get smoothed out to the actual shape of the handles, and I'm very, very happy with it. I gained a little bit on the blade width. About, his blade was 1 inch wide. Alright, so this is, originally was planned to be 7/8 of an inch, so I gained a 1/16 of an inch. And centimeters, 2.4. So I gained 0.2 centimeters. So as I was grinding it, I said, okay, it's a little wider, and I was, cool with that. So it feels great. I'm going to end this part as soon as I show you the stock material I'm going to use for the handles, the scales. And I don't want to make these too long, because I know sometimes, I don't have a lot of time to watch videos. So I'm trying to keep them at a a decent time. So let me grab the stock that I'm going to be using for the scales, the handle scales, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I have this beautiful piece of walnut. I've had this walnut for probably, if I had to guess, I'm going to say 20 years. Okay, it was a really big piece. I've been using it for all kinds of stuff. And this is what I'm going to use to make the handle scales out of this. So there's lots of great grain in this. I'm not sure what part of the wood I'm going to use. I don't know if I want to have like this type of grain here or more of the straight grain. This might be stronger down here, so I may just cut them right out here and get this nice grain. But then again, this looks pretty cool. So we'll have to make that decision. It's got some nice grain in it. Beautiful walnut. So there you go. That'll be the end of part 2. And part 3, we will do some layout on this. We will do the pinholes. I got some silver nickel pins that we're going to use. I got some bar stock. We'll cut them, and we'll do some layout, and we'll do some more grinding, and we'll continue on. Like always, everyone, I really appreciate your views. I appreciate your comments, and I hope you're having a great day, and we'll see you in part 3.